She's your queen to be, a queen to...
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna...
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is Nicole, the Pisces queen. Hey. So, just the FYI, this is a filter. My skin is not this perfect, okay? But I will show y'all how I look without the filter after this video. But I did want to do a Snapchat video because it's quick, so I could do it in sections and tell y'all about my items. This video is about my Ipsy unboxing, so stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, so this is my Ipsy box. It's bigger than usual because I was getting the small box and I was like, this is not gonna work for me. I am better than this and I deserve better. God, where's the paperwork? Okay guys, so this is my Ipsy box. It's big, I know, because at first I was getting like this small little bag, and I was like, no ma'am, no ma'am. I didn't even know they had like, I thought I already upgraded to the Glam, I think it's the Glam X bag, I'm not for sure, or the Glam Bag Plus, that's why I upgraded to, but now I say they have a Glam Bag X, so I need to upgrade again. But I had to upgrade because I was getting these tiny little items like this size. I was like, no ma'am, no ma'am. I don't know how much I was paying, but I believe, okay, I don't know how much I'm paying for this box, but I'll have to go back and look. But this box that I got today is $120 worth of items. And we're gonna go through, I forgot I was doing Snapchat. I'm tripping. I said I want to do a Snapchat video and I totally forgot I was doing Snapchat. Because I only got a minute. So I'm doing this unboxing by myself because the last item, I was like, I don't know if I want her to see how you know what, I'm going to get to that. So this is how the bag comes. This is how it comes in the box. It comes in this bag. And a few items was left out. Like this right here, this was left out. And everything else came in the bag. So I looked in here and I examined the bag and I even tried some of the products because I wanted to give you guys my review as I am unboxing. Unlike last time, I told y'all before I would not give y'all an unboxing without reviewing some of the items. Okay, so first we're gonna go through the first item that I saw when I opened this box was the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I was so excited. I was like, well, I got some Fenty and I ain't have to pay that much for it. I paid for the box and got this up in here. And this Fenty is the kilowatt freestyle highlighter. Okay, so and this will run you about $36 for the full size, which I believe that this is the full size. I don't see how this can be small. It could get any bigger than this. I don't know, but excuse it because it's a little dingy. I did use it recently. I used it the other day in my rainbow video, and this is how it look. Snapchat. Remember that I gotta watch this dang on circle while I'm talking. But anyway, this is how it's looking. It's about $36, like I said, for a full size, which is 7.5, which I believe that this is, it says not 7.5, it's, no, it says 7.5 G. This is 8. So this is bigger than, it may cost you more, but it's $36 for the 7.5, so this is an 8 grams. So it says 7.5 G, full size. This is it. This is it right here. Alright. So I did like the highlighter. I used it from right here. Not right now, but in my last video, I did it right here, and I did some right here. It was very loud. I had to like calm it down, but I love it. So I did love the Fenty highlighter. So I suggest, if you like the highlighter and you like Fenty, which I love everything Fenty, although I haven't tried anything Fenty, I just know that it's good because it's Rihanna. Well, I have tried her face wash. I like that too. It didn't do nothing, but it just smells good. So, you know, I like that too. So, the next item is, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so the next item I have not used because I'm going to give it to my daughter, which she's not home, so I can't give you a full review on this one, but once you start using it, I will give you a review. It is the Dr. Zenovia. I just had this word correctly. Okay, guys, so the next product is by Dr. Zenovia, and it contains hyaluronic acid and peptide serum, and this is a face something. Oh my god, bro, I cannot get it together. This is for your face, basically. And this is going to run you about $72 for the full size of 30 mils, and this is the full size right here. You can see. And I'm gonna let my daughter use it. Let me see. It's like a gel. It has nobody's scent, so we're gonna see how it goes on her face, and I will take pictures. Let her use this for 7 days, and we will take pictures and see how that. We're gonna take pictures from day 1 to day 7 or 14 days. I think I'll do 14 days, and let y'all know all the products that she's using, plus this right here, the Dr. Zenovia essentials. So we'll see how that goes on her face, and if it's working or helping. I'll read more, give more information about it, and we will see what it's supposed to do, you know. So there's their product. We're gonna get to the next one. All right, so the next 3 items is items that I picked for my glam box, and I picked the 2 lip glosses, the duo for the sun and the moon. So I did not try these out, but I can swipe them for you so y'all can see. And they are from Item Beauty, and they're lip gloss. So let me see, you got one is the sun, and then you got one is the moon. So let me show you how they look. I actually looked at, they are really cute. They look like I know this company called Sugar Pill, and they look something like those, which I need to look that up because I really want to try their stuff. So that was the sun. And this is the moon. So like this, the moon is like a solid color. My fake eyes are all in the way. And the sun is like a shimmery color, like with gloss. You see the little sprinkles in there. It's so cute. Look how big it is. Like, look how big that is. And these are gonna cost you $32 together. Not a piece, but together. So that's cute, right? They look cute on your vanity table if you have like stuff all stacked up there. That would be so cute. Okay, and the next item that I chose was from Aceology, the Los Flores blush. And it's looking like it's so cute. The box looks just like this. So, I mean, excuse the smudge. I use this as well. Yeah. So, this is how it's looking. And it has a... Okay, no. I thought I said plastic. I used this side for my blush and it didn't really show. I didn't use this side, so I can't tell you how that's looking. But I can really do it now because I got makeup on now, but I'm about to take it off and go to bed. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe this side and tap it. And, well, you won't really be able to see it, huh, because I got my filter on. But you still can see it a little bit, right? Okay, I'm about to take this filter off so y'all can see. Cause maybe I can't really see it, but I kind of see it in this filter. And anyway, I gotta take this filter off because the next item I want to tell y'all about without being cut off. You know, the audacity around here. But yeah, so I didn't like this one. It was a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see. It's like a lot of fallout, which I don't really like. But you know, maybe it'll look good depending on the makeup I choose, or it's just not for my skin tone. But I love blush, so I thought it would be a new good blush palette. But so far, I don't think I'm going to use this at all. So this is how I'm looking without the filter. And I guess you can see the blush a little bit. I don't know. Can you? I don't know. Can you see it? You know, I'll be able to see it on my HD. When I watch my videos on HD, I can see everything if I haven't said that already. Oh my god, it's like ridiculous. Anyways, so this next product, my last product for my Ipsy Glam box. I just want to say, sometimes my mind is in the gutter, and 97% of the time that's where it's at. And when I saw this, I did not think that at all. I never thought that, not one time. Look how this looks. So this is like really cute, right? And I was like, oh my god, I got like a face. I have a face scrubber, like the manual one that I can, you know, scrub my face. And this is exactly what I thought this was. I did not think anything else that this was. And then I took it out the box. I took it out the box like so, and it was like this. And in the box there was a battery back here. There was a battery in the back, and I was like, what the fuck? It turns on. I already used it. So what happened is I lost this scene. I had to re-download it from my phone and screen record it because it wouldn't download. So you see the buffering because it was buffering during my screen recording. Okay. Yeah, I had to try it out because it was like, I had to try this out. And so I turned it on. I put the battery in because you got to unscrew it from the bottom. And put the battery in, right? So I did that. And then I turned it on. And I thought to myself, what the? This would be for your face? This supposed to be for your face? And I was like, bruh, I don't understand. This reminds me of some things that don't go on your face. I mean, seriously, why do you have so many sound, like vibrations? I was too through. I was like, no. But then I put it on my face. And it felt so good on my face. Like, put your skin, your wash, your stuff you're gonna put on your face to wash your face. So I can't find my stuff right now, but I used it like the sun and the moon, the day and the night wash stuff to put on my face. I put it on and then I used this to like go across my face. It felt so good. I forgot while I was in the shower. I was doing it too long, maybe too long, that it dried up and I had to wet my face again to continue washing my face. Oh my God, this is amazing for your face. This is for your face. So don't be doing things with this that you shouldn't, okay? Go buy you what you need to buy, because this is not for that. This is for your face, okay? Yeah, but I was like, why does it have so many, vibration thingies they got going on? This is just what? And it comes with a little glass cup to sit in when you want to put it in your shower. And it sits up really great, well. So I was thinking about leaving this in my shower and see what my husband says when he picked this up and turn it on. I didn't leave it because I wanted to show you guys. So I will leave it in the shower, and tonight, well, I won't see him until tomorrow, but leave it in the shower and see what he says about this, or put him on him while he's sleeping and see what he says. Oh my God, if I get that on camera, that would be so funny. So funny. But anyways, this is the end of the video, and it is June 22nd, and it's 11 at night. I wore this makeup look for my vlog today. You will see that before this video, but God dang it. I cannot wait to show him this face massager, because that's what it is, okay? Anyways, this is the end of the video. So if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Look at my legs.